Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's go over a premium medium database question that I just solved on my own. So I'm super happy about this and I'm very glad that I was able to come up with my own solution to this question without any assistance. So let me show you how I did it. This is number 1459, rectangles area. Basically, I just looked at the example and you can see that what you want to do is compare every pair of points. So you want to take this minus this absolute value times this minus this, and that's going to be the total area. So let's just go ahead and get all, for each ID, the x and the y value. Let's make a dictionary. Let's iterate over points. Let's do ID as the key, and let's set it equal to the x value. Let's call this x val, and y value, which is just points x underscore value of I underscore y value of I, and then x val comma y val. Okay, so now let's print our dictionary. So now we just want to compare every single pair of points that we can, and then as long as the area is not zero, non-zero, then include it and also sort it in the end, but let's take care of this first. So let's call this points is list of d.keys. So we're interested in the keys of the dictionary. And now let's just loop through those. I plus 1, length of points, so we don't have duplicates. And let's call this 1 and 2, points of I, points of j. So let's print 1 and 2, just to ensure we're on the right track. Cool. So 1, 2, 1, 3, and 2, 3. So now the area, okay, is just going to be absolute value of, let's say, 4. So for 2 and 3, for example, let's take this. It's going to be absolute of d1 of 0, so the x value of the smaller value, minus d of 2 of 0, the x value of the bigger ID, times the absolute value of the smaller y value, so d1 1 minus d of 2 of 1. Okay, so let's print the area. Okay, so as long as the area is not equal to 0, as it says right here, non-zero, then we can just go ahead and append to our answer 1, 2, and area. Okay, so now let's print our answer. Okay, so now we just want to sort it by the area in descending order. So by this in descending order, meaning putting a negative in front of it. So negative x, negative 1, last index of each sublist. And then p1 in ascending order, so x of 0, normal in ascending order, and then x of 1. Okay, so now we should see the correct ordering. Awesome. So now we can just collect the results and return it in a data frame. 2.append a1, third column, make a data frame, set p1 equal to 1, p2 equal to 2, and area equal to 3. And then just return the data frame. So let's run this and submit it. And there you go, passes all test cases. So again, I'm super happy that I was able to come up with my own solution to this question without any help and solve it completely on my own. So that's it for this video, and thank you for watching.